guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a sim to your household on The Sims 4, of course. So to add another sim to your house, just select the three dots, which is the options menu, and you're just going to select manage worlds. Save and go to manage worlds. And when you're in the manage world section, you're just going to select Newcrest here, and you're going to select like an empty lot, and you're going to select create new household to move in. You're going to edit your Sims here. Make sure you've selected everything. I'm just going to randomly add it in, and don't forget to add the name too. And then I'm just going to select play. Then to move that Sims over here, you have to first of all create new household to move in first. Oh, sorry, I think I pressed the wrong thing. Hold on. I'm supposed to select the lot, the empty lot. Then the three dots on more. Select manage household, and then select move household into a lot. And you're going to select the house you already have, and you're going to select confirm. Then you're going to select move in if you want to add it in, or you can also choose evict if you want. But just press move in, and that new sim will be added to the to your house. So that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!